The book of Sirach, or Ecclesiasticus, chapter 1. All wisdom comes from Yahuah and is with him forever. Who can number the sand of the sea and the drops of rain and the days of eternity? Who can find out the height of heaven and the breadth of earth and the deep and wisdom? Wisdom has been created before all things, and the understanding of prudence from everlasting. The word of El Elohim is the fountain of wisdom, and her ways are everlasting commandments. To whom has the root of wisdom been revealed, or who has known her wise counsels? Unto whom has the knowledge of wisdom been made manifest, and who has understood her great experience? There is one wise and greatly to be feared, Yahuah, sitting upon his throne. He created her and saw her and numbered her and poured her out upon all his works. She is with all flesh according to his gift, and he has given her to them that love him. The fear of Yahuah is honor and glory and gladness and a crown of rejoicing. The fear of Yahuah makes a merry heart and gives joy and gladness and a long life. Whoso fears Yahuah, it shall go well with him at the last, and he shall find favor in the day of his death. To fear Yahuah is the beginning of wisdom, and it was created with the faithful in the womb. She has built an everlasting foundation with men, and she shall continue with their seed. To fear Yahuah is fullness of wisdom, and fills men with her fruits. She fills all their houses with things desirable, and the garners with her increase. The fear of Yahuah is a crown of wisdom, making peace and perfect health to flourish, both which are the gifts of Elohim, and it enlarges their rejoicing that love him. Wisdom rains down skill and knowledge of understanding and exalts them to honor them, hold her fast. The root of wisdom is to fear Yahuah, and the branches thereof are long life. The fear of Yahuah drives away sins, and where it is present, it turns away wrath. A furious man cannot be justified, for the sway of his fury shall be his destruction. A patient man will tear for a time, and afterward joy shall spring up into him. He will hide his words for a time, and the lips of many shall declare his wisdom. The parables of knowledge are in the treasures of wisdom, but the fear of Elohim is abominable to a sinner. If you desire wisdom, guard the commandments, and Yahuah shall give her unto you. For the fear of Yahuah is wisdom and instruction, and faith and meekness are his delight. Distrust not the fear of Yahuah when you are poor, and come not unto him with a double heart. Be not a hypocrite in the sight of men, and take good heed what you speak. Exalt not yourself lest you fall, and bring dishonor upon your soul. And so Elohim discovers your secrets, and cast you down in the midst of the assembly, because you came not in the truth to fear of Yahuah, but your heart is full of deceit.
The book of Sirach, or Ecclesiasticus, chapter 2. My son, if you come to serve Yahuah, prepare your soul for temptation. Set your heart aright and constantly endure, and make not haste in time of trouble. Cleave unto him and depart not away, that you may be increased at your last end. Whatsoever is brought upon you, take cheerfully, and be patient when you are changed to a lower state. For gold is tried in the fire, an acceptable man in the furnace of adversity. Believe in him, and he will help you. Order your way aright, and trust in him. Ye that fear Yahuah, wait for his mercy, and go not aside, lest ye fall. Ye that fear Yahuah, believe him, and your reward shall not fail. Ye that fear Yahuah, hope for good, and for everlasting joy and mercy. Look at the generations of old and see. Did ever any trust in Yahuah and was confounded? Or did any abide in his fear and was forsaken? Or whom did he ever despise that called upon him? For Yahuah is full of compassion and mercy, long-suffering and very pitiful, and forgives sins and saves in time of affliction. Woe be to fearful hearts and faint hands, and the sinner that goes two ways. Woe unto him that is faint-hearted, for he believes not, therefore shall he not be defended. Woe unto you that have lost patience, and what will you do when Yahuah shall visit you? They that fear Yahuah will not disobey his word, and they that love him will guard his ways. They that fear Yahuah will seek that which is well, pleasing unto him, and they that love him shall be filled with the Torah. They that fear Yahuah will prepare their hearts and humble their souls in his sight, saying, we will fall into the hands of Yahuah and not into the hands of men. For as his majesty is, so is his mercy.